I think that we have grown by leaps and bounds when identifying if what we are getting done at the salon are gel nails or not. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just a few years ago, clients were getting bamboozled into thinking that liquid and powder nails, what we often refer to as acrylic nails, was a gel nail service. I know, kind of messed up. And that was because when the powder and liquid mixes, it turns into a little bit of a gel consistency for like a hot second or two at least before it hardens. And then to add more to the confusion, it became popular to top coat acrylic nails with light curing gel top coat. And there you have it, gel nails, right? And so what are gel nails? And even more specifically, what are soft gel nails? I'm so excited to dive into this conversation today. Let's get started. Hey there and welcome back. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Paola of Paola Ponce Nails, and I help nail stylists master all of their gel nail services using premium soft gel only. If you'd like to continue growing with me, then do consider subscribing. While every nail enhancement is a form of plastic, there are differences in their chemical structure. Not here to break that down, but in a previous video I created, I went into detail about what gel nails are in a very superficial level, so you can check that video out after you've watched this one. But in a gist, just know that gel nails are typically made from a synthetic resin source. Resin is something that actually comes from trees, but in our industry we use synthetic resin. And to give you a visual of what this substance is, think about it as being a form of liquid plastic with the consistency of honey. To this resin, a few or several ingredients are then mixed in depending on what consistency and function this gel will be needed for. In nail gel, one of the ingredients added is photoinitiator. The photoinitiator is what causes that gel substance to harden or polymerize. The final product is a gel nail. So we've answered the question of what is gel as it pertains to nails. But I'll have you know that in our industry, we have both hard gel and soft gel. I'll help you understand in a moment. Let's get into understanding what are soft gel nails. Here are 5 defining characteristics of soft gel nails. But before I jump into these specifics, let me just say that full coverage tips adhere with gel is not the definition of soft gel nails. So here we go. Number 1, soft gel nails are a nail surface done with soft gel, aka porous acetone soakable gel. So hard gel would be the opposite, hard and non-porous, non-soakable. Soft gel needs to be light cured just like hard gel, but the main difference between the two is that one can be soaked off with acetone, the other cannot. It must be filed off. Here are popular examples of soft gel products and brands. Full coverage extension systems like Apre Gel X, builder in a bottle products like Luminary and the Gel Bottle Ink. Soft body gel nail systems like Biosculpture and Japanese gel nail brands like Cocoa's Vetro and Leaf Gel. And of course, good old gel polish like Shellac and Gelish are also soft gel nail products. Remember, soft gel simply means that it can be soaked off with acetone. Number 2, soft gel nails are manicured natural nails with soak-off gel. We'll talk about structured manicures in just a moment, but let's talk about a simple gel manicure. Do these still even exist? Or must everything have to be thicker than normal nowadays? Yes, simple brushed on gel polish manicures like those done with shellac and gelish are still provided in salon. But consumers and nail techs alike have shifted away from these thinner viscosity gels and left them to the runway models because these shellac thin gel manicures require that you soak off the gel each time, every 2 to 3 weeks before a new application, and that just wears the natural nails down, and we weren't down with that. The good news is that if you or your client just want a thin gel application that is also long wearing, that is totally possible with soft powder gel formulas like Japanese gel. And those gel nails do not have to be removed and serviced every 2 to 3 weeks, but rather more like 3 to 5 weeks. Number 3, soft gel nails are manicured natural nails with structured gel overlays. When you're doing a structured gel overlay, you would be using products like Builder in a Bottle or soft powder gel systems. Now, the reason reason why a hard gel overlay was hardly ever referred to in the industry as a structured gel overlay is because structured is the only way you can apply hard gel. Otherwise, it will break or chip or lift. It simply will not last if not structured. Whereas with your soft gel products, you can apply them flat or structured and not run the risk of breakage. All a structured gel overlay is a thicker gel nail application that is perfectly balanced with an apex to support the natural nail. Number 4, soft gel nails are natural nails extended with free forms or half tips. That's right, you can use soft gel to extend natural nails with paper forms and even old school half tips. Remember those? For this, I highly recommend that you use soft potted gel systems like Japanese gel because these systems include a rigid but lightweight soft gel builder. This soft builder gel is strong enough to extend the free edge of the natural nail using forms. You would then use the same gel to overlay that new nail. Likewise, you could attach half tips and then use the soft builder gel to overlay that new extension. And believe it or not, I still enjoy this old school method. Number 5, soft gel nails are natural nails extended with full coverage tips. We've made it far. Yay, we've made it here to what you thought was the definition or would be the definition of in this video of soft gel nails, but it's not. We're going to break things down. Again, soft gel nails are natural nails extended with full coverage tips. You've learned thus far that soft gel is not a term limited to extensions when using only full coverage nail tips. Ultimately, to avoid confusion, the service should be simply referenced as full coverage tip extensions. Manufacturers and nail techs can further specify that they are soak off, and I would really hold off on using the term soft gel nails to describe full coverage tips or full coverage extensions, as you have learned just now that we can create several soft gel nail services. So when we say soft gel nails, doesn't mean immediately like appareil gel eggs or full coverage tips. And here's the thing, anything a soft gel can do, hard gel can do also, and vice versa. So then you may be asking yourself, which should I choose? Personally, and I'm kind of sad about saying this because there are amazing hard gel nail companies out there, and this is not to knock them at all. In fact, maybe we can help them get with the program in some way. But frankly, I think hard gel is dying as a standard service in the salon, and it really has nothing to do with trends, but rather with compatibility of the product and the natural nail. I go deeper into this conversation in my free masterclass. The link is in the description box below, but I personally would only consider using hard gel if I or my client wanted an extreme length or shape, as hard gel will be more durable in such cases. With that being said, many customers will inevitably end up with hard gel services simply because soft gel nail services as detailed today are not offered in their area. Nothing wrong as long as the service lasts, they're happy. But if you are considering becoming a nail tech, this is where you bridge the gap and can create an opportunity for yourself. All right, let's bring it home. As you can see, soft gel nails are not just full coverage nail tip extensions. Soft gel nails consist of using a soak-off gel nail product and providing a nail service with this product. The soft gel products typically involved are usually full coverage tip extensions, builder in a bottle systems, and soft potted gel nail systems. The services that can be done with soft gel include simple gel manicures, structured overlays, freeform and tip extensions, as well as full coverage tip. I hope today's video cleared up a whole bunch of things. Let me know in the comment section if this was super helpful. I hope it was. Thank you for watching. If you loved today's video, can you do me a favor and give it a thumbs up to boost it up in the algorithm so that I may help more people? And if you need a little more direction in your nail career, I want to encourage you to join my free masterclass using the link in the description box below. It is available for you to watch immediately for free right now after signing up. I'll see you next week, and bye for now.